What's poppin', dogs? Mr. Allen here. We're about to find the vertical asymptotes for each one of these functions here. First one, denominator is already in factored form. But that x plus 3 and that x plus 3, those guys are going to cancel. That's going to be a whole. So my only vertical asymptote will be x equals positive 1. G of x, nothing can cancel here. These x's cannot cancel. That's addition right there. I have x plus 2, so that makes x equals negative 2 for my only vertical asymptote for that one. Last one down here, I got 3 over x squared plus 9. Well, x squared plus 9 cannot be factored, and there is nothing that will ever make this denominator 0. Therefore, there is no vertical asymptote for this one. Let's head on up to k of x. We have 3x over x squared plus 7x minus 8. Now, my denominator can be factored here. So I will have 3x divided by, and I have to multiply to negative 8 and add to positive 7. Well, that's going to be positive 8, negative 1. So x plus 8 and x minus 1. Nothing is going to cancel here, so there'll be no wholes. I'm only going to have 2 vertical asymptotes of x equals negative 8 and x equals positive 1. Woo! Our first twofer. That's pretty dope. All right, last one here, L of x. Now, I've got x plus 5 in my numerator. My denominator is a difference of 2 squares, which means I can factor this bad boy. So I'm going to have x plus 5 still up in that numerator. And then my denominator, it's going to be positive 5 and negative 5. So I'm going to have x plus 5 and x minus 5. Difference of 2 squares. That comes up quite frequently, I feel like. Quite frequently. Now, is anything going to cancel? Yes. These two will end up canceling. It'll become a whole, and I'm left with 1 over x minus 5. So my vertical asymptote here is going to be x equals positive 5. Boom. There we go. We got vertical asymptotes all over the place, man. Now, one thing to remember, my domain for these, my domain here would have been x cannot equal positive 1 and negative 3. So that domain consists of everything in the denominator. My vertical asymptote's just whatever's left after I cancel if possible, right? Here, domain cannot equal negative 2. Right here, domain's actually all real numbers for h of x here. That's a weird one, you know, that doesn't come up very often in our rationals. So I think that's about it. Same kind of deal over there. That's dope. That's awesome. Just like you dogs. I will see you later.